Patrick Chinedu Gbadebo in big pain as Oba of Lagos, Akiolu reject him. Say Sanwo-Olu will win the election, no cap. The Oba of Lagos really won Akiolu as assured Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu that he will win on Saturday. Oba Akiolu spoke when the Labour Party governorship candidate Patrick Chinedu Gbadebo visited the palace to make his intention known. While Akiolu hailed Patrick Chinedu for his courage, he however insists that Sanwo-Olu will win and will come out victorious on Saturday poll. He said, "I declare my support for Sanwo-Olu, not you, Chinedu, because I believe in him and the Lord has said it is Sanwo-Olu's time to win. For you, Patrick Chinedu Gbadebo, the future is open to you. God will not kill you. There is nothing wrong in you contesting. All of those contesting are my children. God should help us to make the state better. When Sanwo-Olu wins, the governor will involve all of you in his government. Do not worry, Patrick Gbadebo," the Royal Highness Rilwan Akiolu say. The royal father, Akiolu, also stressed that Nigeria's future is bright and we begin to witness positive change when the president-elect Bola Ahmed Asiwaju Tinubu assumed office. He also enjoined politicians to keep their electoral promise to the people as they are answerable to God. He added that NSAS protests would not have turned out the way it is if the government have played its part. Speaking on behalf of the Labour Party candidate, Patrick Chinedu Gbadebo father said his commitment to ensure a peaceful election, but we ensure everything goes peacefully. He said, "It's not a bad fight. Let the election go in peace. If God said they win, we will accept it. We just want to make sure everything goes peacefully," he said.
This is OĽUA TV Watch. My name remains Oluwabunmi Festus, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.